Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to delete blockchain account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your blockchain app, and once you're inside, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, here on the top left corner of the screen you'll be seeing your profile icon. Simply tap on that, and on tapping you'll be sent to your settings option. Now scroll all the way down until you find the option that says delete account. Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, here you'll be asked, are you sure to delete your account? Your trading and viewers account will be deleted and you will be logged out of all of devices. So all you gotta do is simply tap on delete account, and here type in delete my account to confirm, and then tap in delete account, and then follow the on-screen instructions to successfully delete your account. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.